check out this great Country Line Kitchen 2-quart homebrew coffee container. What's nice about this container is it's 2 quarts, but it does show you over on the side, it tells you how many cups. It has this filter that you'll place your coffee in. Your filter just goes in here, and you can even hear this is a glass container. It's really awesome. Just scoop your coffee grounds into this container. Once your coffee grounds are in the filter, you're going to pour in your cold water. And as you start pouring in the water, you will notice that it's already starting to brew. And once it's filled up to the top, I'm going to let it just go a little bit to see what's percolating through those coffee grounds. Once it's up to the top, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to screw on the lid here, and you can either let this sit on your counter overnight or you can put it in your refrigerator overnight, and then tomorrow morning we will open this back up. So here we are, 12 hours later. We're going to unscrew this top, and what's really nice about this filter is you can just let it drain a little bit. And it's flexible enough to where you can squeeze it a little bit to get the excess out. Just set that aside. Screw the lid back on. And there you go.